This is Holland, mga indot king ano, yuta, itom. Dark. So farmland daw ni siya diri. Kani oh. Wow.
Siya nga town of
Bradford.
West Williamsbury.
Natpad kayo guys oh.
Wendy's East Williamsbury.
It's nice to fly a kite here. Di jud masangit. Oh, gwapo kay palupad tabanog te. Di jud masangit. So we are halfway. We are na in halfway to doon sa Bari daw ni siya. Happy so mga tao there is either nag kayak or awa guys oh. Speedboat ko kaayo, Mystic ko kayo na boat. So nami diri sa mga truckers, like Teams, Starbucks. So dagko kay mga guyod nila guys. Kani kay barko jud. Ko kayo. Here is oh, ako na videohan. Kani pong isa ako, kita ko ng speedboat, tabunan. So mga truckers ni diri guys and mga RVs. Halfway pa manggod mi sa among destination. So yun. Kung kayo mga truck ako nga po naman truck. Naman truck. Hello guys, lakaw na mi guys. On the way na mi sa among destination. May bagel. What bagel?
Go.
Oh, it's the spelling ano bagel.
B-A-G-E-L.
Bagel ba? Bagel sa to.
So for instance,
This is the bagel, guys.
Yeah.
It's with Teams. Bagel with Teams. Yan. Yan si Benji, bago na po nagkaon. Tara po diyang pagkaan, guys.
Kaagan ka, Benji, ha?
Kaagan na, kabalo na. Yan, kabalo na po siya mo formate, oh. Sa kuha na po siya.
Siya sa iyang kuan.
Isa siyang kuya. Mas kuha man yun siya. Ha? Balo na juga Benji, ha? Oh, so may...
They have flights now from here.
Oo. So, anytime kung gusto nila mag-relax.
Mo na yung Sakyan Hill.
Ah, na. Island Queen Cruise.
Kain na.
Guys, nami sa Muskoka. Matod pa nila ate, sila Justin Bieber, sila Ben Affleck, na ano sila property dere. Because nice kayo ang lake dere and cottages.
You'll see some when we go on the boat.
Dito na Hill, kung makita nimo tong kaning
When we go on the boat cruise, you'll
boat
see them.
cruise, dito nimo makita tanan gwapo kayo.
Magihan daw na mo ron guys. Kailangan ako ng videohan. It's Muskoka. So another marina dere guys, dagan kay mga boats.
Dako kay ning Georgian Bay nga lake Hill.
Georgian Bay Lake yung tawag.
Georgian Bay.
Oo.
That's where we are, eh?
Yeah, we are heading.
No, but it's Georgian Bay where we are.
Yeah, we're going to Georgian Bay, right?
Ang awang mga workers guys.
Was it here with my brother
Busy
Jerry?
kayo sila.
Kita ka tong picture namon ni Manong na mga natives nga Kuanhil.
Wala, wow ka. Wala po. Ato mga
I think
tipi.
it was here. Very sound.
Dari dito?
Yeah, I think it is. downtown.
downtown.
Yes.
Downtown.
By the food trucks.
Wala akong kitatot eh.
We bought the kuan katong naa sa silong Paris Sound kayo eh.
Okay. Paris Sound. Indot kay mga bato nila diri guys.
Kung naa si Mano diri last year, wala man nigingani. 2 lanes man to.
2 lanes. So kanina lugar te Paris na ni.
Paris
Paris
Sound.
Sound na.
Oh, Paris. Kung Bisaya, Paris
Paris.
Sound. Diri Perry.
Perry.
So, sa tong Bari, Berry.
Berry. Berry Manilo.
Niya ang Bagel Bagel.
Bagel. Bagol.
Naraot, Trans-Canada Highway man niya itong giagyano. 400.
Oh.
Ingana ang photograph, ang kuan dyo dirihin.
Mga bato nila dali.
Topography, oh. Matukot
Is it
ang
a rock?
Ottawa.
Yeah.
That's how Ontario is.
Ingana po, magiana to na dito sa Ottawa, Takadong.
Oh, ingana sa-
wow,
All
kayo.
rock now.
Indot
Yeah.
kayo mga rocks.
Rock and lakes.
Yeah. Bring us more rock too from here.
What?
Gamay kayo, kay cheap lang.
Wow. Pangalan ni Mugchi.
Butangan ko lang cheap Dobermori.
G.
D. Dari na po P. Paris. PS Paris.
PS ni mo, PS, Paris.
Yes.
Mahal kayo mga cottages diri.
Ako. Formula. Sate?
Mohawk na teritoryo
Whoa.
Here.
How I wish I could see one Mohawk Indian. But they are not dressed an Indian anymore.
nila. Anymore.
Just said the Indian names?
Yeah, Kanyen, Kihaka, Luhat, Tate, Watabala.
It says Wata here.
Nabasa na ko ha. Indian good bitaw. It's a very Indian sound.
Naman as nang sulting India diri kung pag-native.
Natives. Tama.
Ay, ang Indian, katuna sa India.
Tama. They are natives. So,
Natives
that is
of
all.
Canada.
Ay, kaya dahil na sila gitawag og Indian sa una sa mga conquistador.
Iroquois.
Iroquois cranberry.
Mogay, nalibog ko ni mo paingon sa mga migang Iroquois. Asa nga Iroquois nga?
Diri
Iroquois.
siguro.
Natives man ng Iroquois.
Natives na ng Iroquois. Basta nang Algonquin.
Wala nito ba?
Wala.
All the natives here. The Mohawks were the worst.
Mohawks are the worst.
They used to kill they used to even kill the Iroquois and the other ones.
Inunayay man ang mga natives po.
Yeah.
Tribals man po ng mga native tribes.
Yeah.
Different tribes ba? Ato kami ni Mano, ni Jerry.
Oo.
We were in the lookout. Bako kaayo. Kasaway, lo. Perfect yung pagkakat kilo.
Man gani kayo.
Perfect, no? Huwag tayo technology nga na, eh. Murag laser cut ba?
Lagi. Pero na ba yung agi o na-grid?
Oo, kaya ipanulot ingon niya, sudlan man daw nagtubo. Dito daw mo man na makita ni mo linya, dito daw isulod ang blast. Matugid sa ilalong.
Okay.
Ay, mga linya, no?
Kita yan ni...
All rock.
Amazed ka tong first
Ontario.
time na mo road
Farming
trip.
here is not good, eh?
Yeah.
Very nga area, no farming.
Tourism,
Farming
perhaps.
at the other place.
Kung
Yeah.
first time na mo nag-road trip sa una ni Anhing,
Oh.
amazed yun ko sa, I was so amazed with the stones. I said,
Here
wala
you go,
nila,
guys.
POA.
We are at the POA holiday. Another COA. Here at Paris Sound. Perry.
Very sad. Staff o staff.
Staff. Busy siya. Grass cutter.
I think it's your, not it.
Look guys, look at that guy over there. Looks like he's having fun. He's just like playing with the grass cutter.
Right?
Okay. That's good.
Mano, you been here daw?
Yung cabin nilo.
Oh, cabin.
Na si Mano diri sa una ako kang ito.
Si Mano lang, si Manang wala.
Wala.
This is
Dito mi ato.
this is the place that had a lot of
Dito,
a lot of
Lack of lakes. Wow.
Your seatbelt. It's not gonna stop.
Ala.
Di ba si Kaloy Saba?
Wala siya nag-seatbelt.
Hilong kay.
Yeah.
Ang Uban Hill kanan ng mga plants permanent na sila diri. Tinuig ng bayad nila 4,200 a year. Kunya every summer mo diri na gid
Dali
sila.
na sila. Asawa eh.
Usawa bitaw.
Asawa kayo eh.
This is it.
Diri na gid sila.
No, not it.
Magbalik-balik sila ang ilang tent ibili nila diri.
Asawa kayo.
Manawa ilang basilo, nagdala sila gamay nga auto.
Oo, siya
Kahit
guyod
para-
na.
Oh, guyod. Para makalaag sila sa town.
Oh.
Asa sila pa doon.
Tama. Pwede di ay nga
Pwede
na.
ka magdala kung kabalo ka.
Guyod lang.
Oh, kung kabalo ka mo guyod.
Mm.
Na siya ko ano.
Jay.
Murag di pa makain siya kapasalag siguro. Ana. Pero siya kung pwede daw ang bike in anaon daw. Iyang motorcycle.
ATV? By
Dili ko
bicycle?
iyang motorcycle. Magpalit lagi ka ato nga trailer.
Kaya kung ako te, gusto na ko, bus mo pa dyan ba?
Ay,
Oo.
silaan na ng gasin.
Kusugay mo ka o gas?
Oo, maugani mo minipalitan na.
Tama dahil no.
Oo, kanang
So daghan jud kag dapat i-consider dahil no.
motorhome jud na siya.
Tama.
Mahal kina gas.
Tama.
At least kani imo rang vehicle.
Garita.
Silaan na siya.
Tama ka tin, wala lang siya basin. Para sa
Para siya
sewer
para
din.
sa manghugas sa kilid ani.
Sa mga CR nila.
Anto na lang ta sa
Which one's my water? That one?
Sad bird.
100 something kilometers that way.
Nagkag natives diri here.
Oh, lagi how I wish I could meet one.
If you want, we can go there after you ride.
You might see some
Yeah.
there in very soon.
Yeah, after your ride, we're gonna go to the town where the natives are.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nail on. I could see it. Can we close this one? No.
Where's your home?
I left it in the sound.
Guys, we are in the Paris Sound. Hurrah! Town of Paris Sound. Town of 300,000 islands.
No, 30,000.
30,000 islands. I rather call it town of stone rocks. Big rocks. Oh, mga bato jud. Puro bato guys. Quarry. Quarry.
7,000 lang ang population.
Gamay rin jud kahit eh. Mga natives pa jud siguro na.
Small town, yeah.
Ang mga namuyo diri guys kadaghanan mga Mohawks. Mohawk territory ni siya. Sa una sa salida ko lang na madungog ang mga Mohawks. Karon na jud mi sa ilang lugar. Karyo.
Bush, rock, and water.
Yeah.
Kahit po ni nga
We've got a
dito.
lot of
Wow.
fresh water in it.
Grabe ang lakes. Oh,
Ay, makita na ni mo magkuhan pagka-cruise.
fresh water. Andot kay guys. Awang mga bato guys. Paul's Quarry Road.
Tomorrow, kuan man ang boat cruise Hilton.
Police station ya.
Ontario Provincial
Provincial.
Police.
OPP pa rin no.
provincial police na siya Inter province and jurisdiction.
Jurisdiction yun nila.
So appeal ang city ana.
So OPP.
Oh.
Pero usually ka ng mga police sa dari napod na sila no.
Dali,
FOU. Depende kung asa sila i-assign.
The Inter province of Ontario na. Mo na imponi mo dako sa jurisdiction.
Dako jud dako kayo. Oh.
Ang uban ani condo. Kung mag-retire ka, kailangan ka diri quiet place.
Oh, dari ka na.
Kaso gusto mo ni siya ko good na ay natara, na ay likod. Ano ba?
Bitaw.
Kana mang good condo, wala mong kay
Bitaw wala.
natara no.
So guys,
Naraan.
Elementary falls.
Ano ng church?
All the people that died that live here.
Yeah. It's their
Sabay kayo lang
church.
sa apel.
Maya eh.
Our cemeteries are like this. See the stones?
Yeah.
The non-Catholic.
Ano
Catholic.
makita
Non-Catholic. That's why there's no cross.
no?
Oh.
Ito gani magkuan sila katong Friday the 30th.
Hey guys, we're here at the beer store. Manulod mi guys, mamalit mi beer. Ang kaloy. Hey guys, we're gonna buy beer. Depends on the beer.
This is not the walk-in here.
Oh, it's not the walk-in.
Not a walk-in.
You just walk. Yeah, too heavy.
Yeah, beer store. Waiting for the beer. Yeah. Karas is waiting for the beer. Just wait guys, sulat lang. Gawas na rin na yung mga bearing ba. Here it goes. Hello guys. Morning guys. Seltzer. Ladies drink din isa. Here at the beer store.
The airplanes are here too. The planes?
Yeah.
This is Paris Sound.
Yeah, water airport.
Yeah.
Ford.
This place that has a Dollarama.
There was. I saw it before. That's why I told you to put in there. Oh, and we need the bread for the hot dog. You want the hot dog today or tomorrow?
Depends. What are you gonna have today?
We have the pork barbecue and then the soup for us. Or you want hot dog today or tomorrow? It's either today is the hot dog or tomorrow is the barbecue.
Barbecue tomorrow.
Branch out.
Let's go now.
Oh. So you know what that means? There's no Dollarama here.
There was one up there,
Was there?
but you click the brace bridge farther.
Nakita mi Dollarama guys. Nabi Dollarama diri.
There. Worst comes to worst, we'll just wash.
They have plates at a food store. Even if it's 10 or whatever.
Kanisha Hill train, yeah, po ni-
Train?
I
Sa loob?
think so, yeah.
So this is the marina here.
Oh,
Mm.
no. Yeah, train. Dili ang marina here kung masakay ka sa cruise.
Cruise diri. Yeah. Yeah. Marina
This is where the
guys.
airplanes. Airplane rides.
Na ay di ay mga seaplane.
Seaplanes.
Yeah, you'll see them tomorrow coming in and landing and taking off. Oh, on that way.
What's that?
Grocery store.
30,000 Island Cruise Line.
Mao ni siya Hill, oh.
Oo.
Pero nakalakaw naman, alauna man. So, 3 hours man na.
Oh, Service Ontario.
Guys, namin sa Paris Sound lugar. Paris Sound Municipal. It's pharmacy.
Bread.
Hot dog buns, paper plates.
So this is a tourist town.
Can't believe there's not a supermarket here.
Shopping.
Mga tao dito, mga tiguang.
Kaya mga retirement
Yeah.
area man ni asa man yung mga batan homestay.
It was down on Front Street.
Kaya na siya guys, diha nagainom ang mga horses mag-travel. So, naagihapon siya. So I think there are still horses here.
Probably.
Lalo. Wow, t-shirts. Home, Agia Supplies, Northern Swine and Steel.
There, Circle K.
Circle K. Lumaya raw eh.
Ginoo ko.
Mura
It's
rin.
like
7-Eleven.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Circle K or 7-Eleven. Convenience store na to ah. Here's the downtown.
That's why
Dollar
you
Tree.
can't believe it. What are you looking for? That's the woman said. You said bread. Oh,
Hot dog buns. Oh,
Circle K.
Circle K. So the Dollarama, where is it?
There.
Where?
There. Oh,
Dollarama.
Dollarama one. Here.
Right.
Plaza.
Is that where you want to go, Dollarama
Yes.
or Walmart?
Yes. The Walmart, the bread. The plates there.
So a lot of people come here and they can park their trailers because they let you park it
The
for free.
Walmart's allowing that. You can park the
I can
trailer.
stay here all night
Yeah.
and sleep here.
Mm.
Walmart allows that.
Oh. Finally guys, kita na jud mig Dollarama. Dollarama here sa left, Walmart dito. Wadto na pud mi unya. Abi namo wala diri. Malit mi og pasol. A bake kanang worm.
Better be.
So?
There's enough money on it.
Worms and ditches.
Stop buying products, please.
Hello guys, nami diri sa Rankin Lake. Diri mi sa Seguin Township. So ano mi guys, mag-fishing mi. Carlos nagdala og dako kang sigpaw. And ate is over there. Kay init daw kayo. So here it is guys, nadari amo ang pasul. So here's our mga pasul guys. And here's our bait, live fish. Oh! Live fish. My God. And worms. Worms nadari murag ice cream. Tiludi pa daw ni agi. Kuha na ni tiludi ba? Gi paksiw. And beers. Beer. Dalamig mga beer. Bao na mo. So nami tulo ka pingwit. Naigi set up. Yeah.
there and you get your line tangled up, I'm not going to come and rescue you.
Oh. Di pwede di atay kay malambod daw. Malambod lang. So, I don't know. Sige, himo ni Carlos dito. Kasi gi-set up. Saan yung gi-set up, te?
Oh, kada
Ay, bangko. Bangko na yung gi-set up.
nambong dili.
Security. Oh, pwede bitaw diri, oh. Ay, nailay weeds. Tama. Oh. Yeah. Kan kay weeds diri, guys. Di. Yeah. Yeah. There's a lot of weeds. Kuan jud siya dito. Malambod sa mga tanom. Paglabay nimo makuan sa mga water lily. Mamasul mini kaloy.
Don't throw the cellophane. The plastic, because you might use it again later. Carlos.
Mao jud.
What?
You might not. You have to keep this because if
Para sa atong garbage te, atong basurat eh. Oh.
you can't finish it, then you have to bag the fish again. Why did you throw this out? And you cut it like this.
Don't worry about it.
No, you worry about it later.
Okay.
So you would say to me, don't worry about it. But then later on,
You
you're going
have
to say,
to hook
I shouldn't have thrown it out.
it in the body, not in the mouth. I thought it's in the mouth.
No.
You did it the wrong way.
You want him to swim still.
Yeah. Yeah, I will. Whoa! That's how you do it? Huh?
You guys want to use minnows or do you want to use worms?
Anything. Hello guys, namasul mi guys. Namasul mi guys. Ora mong pasul guys, oh, may floater. So I have to watch my pasul. So kuha mig isda. Nindot kay guys. Basta yung gwapuha. Ana-ana dito yo. Wow. Nindot kayo. Tungog ni mo mga chirp sa mga langgam. We hope na tani isda makubit. Kakuhaon tami. Base lang, base.
Well, I hope I can get a bass. Because remember when we were at Sturgeon?
Yeah.
I was just on the side, right? But that was allowed at that time. And then they stopped it. I drink dito, mainit na to itong drink room. Where's our drink? Asan naman po akong drink? Out to us.
In that red bag.
Oh.
That's okay.
Dala tong bag diri og katong kuan.
Masol mi guys. si, si ate 5 hours na siya diha.
Maninuta.
Fish over there, but I
Of course,
don't know if it's
seltzer.
sunfish or
Yeah.
big fish.
4.5
4.5.
alcohol.
So gamay ra kayo, 4.5.
Yankees gani.
Look. Whoa.
Right there. That's a good spot.
Yeah. Nice.
I got one.
Wow. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I hope so.
Got away.
Oh. Sayang. Oy. Yeah. Kung naka-video to.
I hope it's big.
Wala na, jakpan na. Nakabuhi.
Oh. Really?
Yeah.
What?
Oh.
It got away.
Got away?
But it's right. They're right by the weeds there.
Okay. Sorry.
Again, Carlo.
He's hungry, he's gonna eat that.
Yeah. Nice throw. Nice throw. Maikay sila mamasul guys. Ako tig-cheer lang ko.
Ako duha ka kamot ko, di ko pwede ang isara. Anaon ako dire.
Oh.
Lo, it's a dire.
Ah.
Anda yun.
Ang ate.
Duha ka kamot.
Dito. Ako guys. Tig-cheer lang ko guys. Igo lang ko tig. Yay! Nice throw. Nice catch.
Pagtuon kay sayang.
Yeah.
Para dito
Pagtuon ko niya, labi na. Ugma, pag nana si Ian po. Tanaw na sa ako. Nag-observe. Sino?
Kung dili ka mulabay, di ka makabalo.
Look ate, nag-iisda nagasunod-sunod si ate o gagmay.
Mo na ko ano nila kitkiton. Ang gagmay may kusog mangitkit.
Maudi ay daro.
Kitanin mo.
Daro ako.
Oh.
Sunod siya.
Ah.
Yung gagmay.
Oh, kito na nila. Oh, kito niya oh.
siya.
You know, I can see the small fishes.
Yeah. With a small fish with a big fish.
Hello guys, we are here at Rankin Lake again. Ready and still no. So here at Sigin Township, the natural place to be. Rankin Lake boat launch. Okay, so mo nilang ano. Everyone is welcome, so keep dogs on leash. Do not litter. Pag hugaw-gaw, day use only. Buntag lang. Gamay. No motorized vehicle. Clean up after your pet. Park is designated areas only. Park closes at 11 p.m. per township of Sigin. Okay, by law. Day use only. So, muna ni siya guys. So, muna ang Rankin Lake. May public bathroom. Doon siya kalsada guys. So, na pa yung balay dito sa Akbang. So, guys, kayo no. Limitado. So, ng truck ni Kaloy. And there they are. Fishing. Init kayo. Pabugnaw sa ako guys. Kay init kayo. Kaya na ako na dere. Ako kayong lake. Sa akong atibangan. So, boat code. So, boater's code. Respectful boating guidance from safe, quiet lake. I will never operate my boat beyond the level of my skills. I will be aware of and obey all laws and regulations governed operated of my boat. I will operate my boat with caution, courtesy to others at all times. So, nga na sila guys. Lingaw kayo. Init kayo guys, no? Time check is 10 minutes to 6 p.m. Still, wala pa mikuha. Ang reels na adari dapit. Wala pa jud. Then, si Carlos and si ate. Busy kayong nag-fishing. Ito ang ilang reels, oh. Tama na puti na naglutaw. So, maunang katiludi. Kung Carlos. And here is mine. Oh, wala na ako. Carlos, doon na kayo. Doon na kayo nga ako ang Carlos. Balindad kayo. Ugma.
Yeah, Sabado, Domingo. Domingo sa gabi or usahay. Lunes sa buntag sayo. Depende kung asa sila pa doon.
Taligsik.
Wala eh. Jahoy bis si kami mag-posing. Kanang off gani niya mga ag sila. Yaw kay posing.
Laag na po din sila, te.
Passenger princess man daw siya, oh.
Passenger princess.
Mura na daw siya si Rose sa Blackpink. Ingon si Gladys.
What's with the horn?
Ilang sakyan yan. Wala.
Oh! It's in the water lily again.
Ikaw man.
Good night for our first day here. Bye-bye.